This is a classic sewing machine, almost 40 years old, and today I am going to clean it. One thing we can see that no matter how many electronic or automatic machines come into the market, but none of them can truly replace this one. The strength, control, and feel that this machine has cannot be found in modern machines. Now I am trying to open it. This child is disturbing me again and again, and honestly I had to use a lot of strength to open it. The nut is almost jammed. I have loosened it now, so it will open easily. One important thing to remember is that when we open the nut, we must keep it very carefully. While cleaning, make sure it doesn't get misplaced. It is very important yet small, so please pay special attention to it. It has loosened, and you can see it while rotating the main wheel. We can easily disengage it. There is a lot of dust inside. It was sitting here for many months. We will gently clean the dust from the side using a brush. In some places the dust is stuck, so we need to clean it carefully. I am cleaning the entire inner area properly using this brush, and this part must be also disengaged from here. It may need a little pull, but it will come off easily. Be very careful. Any parts that come out must be kept safely. If even one part gets misplaced, the machine can develop problems and will not work properly. So take care. Kids are creating mess, but don't mind. This is the beauty of our homes. Maybe. This position of machine will make it easy. Now dusting has almost done. We will now do the oiling. Oil must be applied to every part where there is any movement or any joint. If you are not sure where the joints are, rotate the main wheel. This will help you see all the moving parts. You can see I am doing this. Wherever there is a movement, even slight movement, apply a little oil there. Keep rotating the main wheel and continue oiling on the each moving area. This is the most important method for oiling a mechanical sewing machine. Not a single joint or moving parts should be missed. Please watch carefully where I am applying the oil. And now this is the main part where oiling is required. Apply oil properly here, very thoroughly, while rotating the main wheel so that no area is left dry. Oiling at this point is extremely important. Even when you place the machine in a side position, check all the other areas once again to make sure nothing is missed. You can see how carefully I am applying the oil while moving the main wheel. I have also oiled this part properly. If a little oil overflows, that's absolutely fine. You can see this is not the place to be stingy with oil. After oiling, you can see that how it's moving freely. I'm checking. Yes, I can see the difference. I'm applying some more oil. Now I will set it back in its place while rotating the main wheel. This part can be kept and reinstalling it. The nuts were kept carefully. I always do. I'm tightening it. Oiling in inner part is almost done. Wait, oiling is not complete. There is still some part left which must be oiled. You can see. Again I am doing this, rotating the wheel and watching the movement of inner parts of the machine. This is also one of the important part to be oiled. Keep doing while moving, while rotating the wheel. At the same time, the neck of main wheel must be oiled. The neck of main wheel must be oiled from both sides. Again, there are some holes which are actually made for this. Watch carefully. Oiling is almost going to be done, and I can see the differences while moving the wheel. It's done. Now I am wiping off all the dusts. I am trying the machine. Is there any difference after oiling? Wiping off all extra oils. Fairly smooth. The difference can be observed immediate after oiling, and machine is